The Center for Excellence training facility at Zoeller Company in Louisville, Kentucky offers a unique opportunity to experience the pump industry while learning from experts in the field. Bring your customers for an hour, a day, or more. Learn about the pump industry and why Zoeller products are designed to be the best for professionals. Gain firsthand experience in the unique and varied aspects of pump manufacturing and specification at our 6,000 square foot facility. In the demonstration room, our industry professionals offer live demonstrations and computer simulations of our latest products and core concepts. A state-of-the-art classroom provides space for lectures and group discussions with a library of cutaway models for reference. Training experiences at the CFE are tailored to cover the specific topics that most interest you and your customers. All participants gain valuable technical and practical product knowledge. Working with our sales staff to determine your product needs will help our training staff provide the best possible experience. Experience expertise at Zoeller Company's Center for Excellence, where professionals train professionals. Call your regional Zoeller representative to schedule your personalized training workshop. Not sure who your rep is? Call 1-800-928-7867 and we will help.